Welcome to Violin Adventures number 86. Well, thank you for all your prayers. I'm feeling much better now. Without God's help, I don't know where I'd be. We're going to get right back into it, our YouTube violin and our challenging cello. And I had a comment from one of you, and I thought I would address it with everyone here, just so you know that this channel is more for entertainment rather than teaching how to make a violin. It's like a peek into the life of a violin maker 1 week at a time. And so I just show you interesting things. I don't show you everything. And if it were to be a teaching video, I would show you more detail and things that I would just do it differently. So hope that helps. And now we're on to the challenging cello. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the cleats in the back of this challenging cello. And I'm using cleats this time because of the weakness of the back. I think it just needs some extra strength. Okay, I'm using weights since I don't have any clamps now that will go over these sides. So we're using weights, although if you can see right here, I cut out that awful looking rib. But at this point, we'll let this dry for 24 hours and then we'll see what we're going to do next. So there we go, another good use for all those nice weights. Okay, I just found a whole bunch of stress cracks all along here and in here, and then on this side a bunch more. So that's going to improve the tone also once we get all of these cracks found and repaired. Okay, all those cracks that we found yesterday, I'm going to go ahead and put these skin patches on. Okay, I'm happy about finding all these cracks, and I may find more, but this is going to help with the tone to make sure we get everything back the way it should be with no cracks anywhere. So here's our next installment of clamps, and we'll see how many more of these we have to do. There we go, a bunch more cracks have been sealed up. It's the next day, so I'm going to remove these weights. Look at these beautiful flowers. This is a beautiful sign of life. This tree had gotten eaten by worms last year, and it's coming back to life. Definitely we have better tone now, and I found some more cracks, so I'm going to get those fixed up. And the YouTube violin. Okay, it's time to take the new YouTube violin down and get it ready for varnish. Here it is. The last thing to take off is the fingerboard. I'm going to put a protective piece on here, and then I'm going to take a couple days to just go over it and make sure it's ready for varnish. Well, it's time to put our first coat of varnish on our YouTube violin. And this is called the sealer coat. And here's the front. And right here is our little branch. So we know this is our YouTube violin because of the little birthmark there. I'm going to go ahead and take the clamps off of here and tap it, see if I hear any more buzzing. And while we have the sealer coat out, I'm going to go ahead and put a coat of sealer on this cello top. And this should protect the wood. Okay, that's getting a little more tone. It's wanting to sing more, so this is good. Now go ahead and put a sealer coat on here to protect the wood and all the cleats. Okay, there's our top. I think we'll let this dry and I'll check it again tomorrow to see if I hear anything, and if not, then we can get back to work on our back over here. Our Hebrew Minute, and if you know where this is found, please put it in the comments below. Tefillah LaMoshe Ish HaElohim Adonai Ma'on Ata Hayata Lanu Vador Vador B'terem Harim Yuladu Vat Hulal Eretz Vativel U'me'olam Ad Olam Ata El. A prayer by Moses, the man of God, or a man of God. You have been a refuge or a dwelling place for us from generation to generation. Before the mountains were brought forth, and the earth brought forth, or from everlasting to everlasting, you are God. Okay, here we are at the end of the week. It's a beautiful day today with nice, gorgeous blue sky. We've had a few thunderstorms and lightning, which makes it exciting. We're going to have more of that this week. Here we are at the end of the week. Let's take a look. Here's our challenging cello. It needs a lot of work. Here's our top. I'm just letting it rest over the weekend, and we'll get back to it, Lord willing, next week. Over here we have our YouTube violin. It has the first coat of sealer on, and it's looking very good. And thank you all for watching, and for all the new subscribers. Your comments are the best. Thank you for all your comments. I really enjoy talking to you guys. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.